Chemical Technology at the St. John campus. This is our building on Grandview Avenue where the chemical technology classrooms and labs are. Hello, my name is Tanya Mason and I am a chemical technology instructor. I graduated from the chemical technology program in 1996. While at NBCC, I was a co-op student at the Irving Blending and Packaging plant. Before I graduated, they offered me full-time employment. I left Irving in 2006 to work at NBCC. I went to school part-time while working and earned a master's in education, a bachelor of education, and a bachelor of science. A bit of a program overview. Chemical technologists focus on quality assurance and problem solving. They install and maintain complex equipment and conduct sophisticated chemical analyses. Work settings may include labs, offices, or fieldwork. As a key member of a scientific team, you'll learn the skills to excel in chemical research, pilot plant operations, quality control, and process industries such as paper, power, oil, beer. Participation in optional co-op work terms will allow you to put your knowledge to practice while learning about unique client needs. This is the chemical technology 3-year map. There are 6 academic terms and 3 optional work terms. From September to December of your first year, it's your first academic term. You'll take introductory level courses in general chemistry, physics, and math. You'll also take introductory communications and computer software. You'll also have hands-on laboratory sessions for chemistry and physics. Your second academic term is from January to April. You'll continue on with chemistry, physics, and math. The communications course will help you develop your resume and cover letters, as well as prepare you for upcoming co-op work term interviews. Hands-on work will continue in the laboratory for chemistry and physics, as well as microbiology. The first optional co-op work term does go through the summer. It's actually from May until September of your following year. It is a paid work term. Interviews are arranged through NBCC, but employers ultimately choose the successful candidate. Work terms often require a driver's license. You'll return in your second year to your third academic term. There you will be introduced to organic and analytical chemistry. Math and communications course content will continue to support your academic and work term goals respectively. Daily hands-on laboratory sessions will occur for organic and analytical chemistry. From January till April of your second year, it's the optional co-op work term. It's, again, paid. Interviews are through NBCC, and you often require a driver's license. From May till June, you have your fourth academic term. Analytical chemistry will continue and environmental chemistry will be introduced. Communications continues to support co-op work terms by teaching technical writing skills. Quality management is introduced. Daily hands-on laboratory sessions occur for analytical and environmental chemistry. You return for your third year, and it is your optional co-op work term from September to December. Just like the other ones, it's paid. Interviews are arranged through NBCC, and you may require a driver's license. From January till April of your third year, the focus will continue on analytical, organic, and environmental chemistry. Quality management systems will be introduced. Daily hands-on laboratory sessions occur for analytical, organic, and environmental chemistry. And your sixth and final term is from May to June of your third year. Focus will continue on analytical and environmental chemistry. Engineering concepts and chromatography will be introduced. Daily hands-on laboratory sessions occur for analytical and environmental chemistry, as well as chromatography. Just some of our typical employers for co-op and full-time employment would include Irving Oil in the St. John area, the refinery, Irving Blending and Packaging. We also have J.D. Irving in the St. John area, Irving Paper, Irving Pulp and Paper, Lake Utopia Paper, NB Power in the St. John area, Point LaPro and Colson Cove, Moosehead Breweries, the City of St. John, Crosby's Molasses, RPC in Fredericton, Department of Environment in both St. John and Moncton, AV Nakawik, Agro Pure in Sussex, Organogram in Moncton, and Greymont and Havelock. There are some external certifications. So, chemical technology graduates may have an opportunity to acquire the following external certifications upon meeting the external agency's certification requirements and paying any required fees. The Chemical Institute of Canada as a certified chemical technologist. Also, the New Brunswick Society of Certified Engineering Technicians and Technologists as a professional technologist. For more information, you can check us out online at the following link, and that's at the nbcc.ca. You can email me. You can book an appointment with a recruitment officer, and you can also apply through nbcc.ca as well. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to any questions you might have.